Sharing files doesn't have to be complicated. Here is the easiest method. Let me show you. Go to your Google Drive application using your laptop or your phone and locate where you have the file or the folder that you want to share and access with a working colleague or a friend. Okay? Now for me, I'll go to my drive because that is where I have my files and my folders. So these are my folders. So what I'll do is I can easily just share and access from this folder by clicking at the three dots by the right side and share a quick access. But why I will not do that is because I don't want people to tamper with the files or even see some of the files that I have inside of this folder. So the best way of doing it is clicking the folder. Once it opens, you can now easily share and access to a specific file that you want your family friend or a working colleague to have access on. Okay, so what I'll do is I will click on this one because this is the file I want my friend or my working colleague to have access with. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll click on this three dots and hover on top of this share. Of course, it will now bring out another share feature right here. Then I will click on share. Once I do, then it will now bring out this interface. Okay, now it's saying that share database underscore original underscore quotes.slsox with friend. Now what it's simply saying is that you can just add the person's Gmail address or email address and share it. Okay, or another way of doing it is you can come right here under this general access, okay, and change it from restricted to anyone with the link. Okay, so what now happen is that it will now update and you can now easily copy the link and share it with that working colleague or a friend of yours. Okay, so you can just copy the link and that is it, and click done. Once you've done that, that is it. You can now share your files without sending large attachment. In the next lesson, I will show you how to control who can comment on your file or your folder or edit your files. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the video to the end, tag others to come and learn, share it, download it and repost it, and of course I will see you on the next one. Bye.